Today we're exploring a topic that's both environmentally smart and deeply creative. Upcycled decor and innovative landscaping ideas for small gardens and courtyards. Want to give your garden a beautiful, sustainable upgrade without spending a fortune? Which of these ingenious upcycling ideas will be the perfect rustic charm for your own small patio? Watch this entire video to find out. In this video, we'll dive into how you can transform even the smallest outdoor areas using upcycled objects, multifunctional landscaping techniques, and unexpected design twists. Let's explore how sustainability and style come together to elevate your little green oasis. Segment 1: Foundations of Upcycled Design, Rethinking Waste. Upcycling is more than just saving money or helping the environment. It's about giving old things a new story in your garden. Instead of buying new items, look at what you already have. You can turn an old ladder into a vertical garden or use chipped bowls as plant pots. In small spaces, every item needs to count. And upcycled objects bring unique personality and charm that new store-bought items often lack. The main idea is to reimagine the potential of things like old pallets, broken tiles, rusty cans, or antique crates. Check your garage, flea markets, or your recycling bin. Your next great piece of garden decor is likely already there. Segment 2: Vertical Magic, Walls, Ladders, and Hanging Gardens. In a small garden, going vertical is the smartest move. Use your walls, fences, or even tree trunks as extra planting space. Try making a ladder garden. Repurpose an old wooden ladder to hold potted plants, herbs, or flowers on each step. You can also hang wooden crates on a wall as planters or shelves for small garden decor. For a fun touch, turn old teapots, colanders, or coffee cans into hanging planters using jute rope or metal chains. Even bicycle wheels, headboards, or window frames can become unique trellises for climbing vines. These creative ideas not only save space but also add texture, depth, and personality to your courtyard garden. Segment 3, Flooring and Hardscape with Soul. Let's look at the ground. In small outdoor spaces, the floor is key. Instead of spending money on new concrete or stone, you can create a unique path using upcycled materials like broken tiles, old bricks, or weathered wood planks. For a special touch, make stepping stones by embedding old plates or mirror shards into cement. If you have leftover pallets, build a simple deck or raised platform to add different levels to your garden. Alternatively, a patch of salvaged gravel or river rock can easily define a charming seating area. Using these materials is not only sustainable, but it lets you create a surface that feels deeply personal and tells its own unique story. Segment 4, Creative Planters and Garden Art from Discards. You can easily make your garden personal by turning salvaged items into unique planters and decorations. Simple items like an old drawer, toolbox, or birdcage can become beautiful flower containers. You can stack old tires, paint them, and fill them with plants. For garden art, make wind chimes from spoons or tin lids, or create a bird bath using a chipped sink basin. These small, personalized touches add movement, sound, and life to a compact space. Just remember to seal or treat your upcycled pieces to protect them from the weather, and let your own style show. Segment 5, Space-Saving Landscaping Techniques. For a very small space, your plan should focus on layering, creating zones, and maximizing function. You can use upcycled items like drawers, crates, or tires to make raised beds, clearly marking off areas for flowers or food. Use old shutters or pallets as simple partitions to separate a seating area from a planting area. To make the space look bigger and brighter, hang mirrors salvaged from old vanities. Choose upcycled furniture that does double duty, like a bench with hidden storage. Create depth by planting at different heights using stacked bricks or tiered stands. Even an old item like a sewing machine base can be turned into a unique garden table. By making sure every item is both functional and beautiful, you turn a tiny garden into a series of carefully planned creative spaces. Thank you for joining us today on Liviaro Studio to explore the world of upcycled decor and creative landscaping for small gardens and courtyards. We hope these ideas inspired you to see beauty in forgotten things and possibility in every corner of your outdoor space. Which idea are you most excited to try? The ladder garden, the mosaic path, or maybe the stack of old tires? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more thoughtful design content. Until next time, may your garden be filled with life, creativity, and harmony.